Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. Today's video is going to be part 1 of my spring cleaning and decluttering, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you do, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So I started off in this little drawer here where I keep my coffee cups and my sauces for my iced coffee. I figured I'd start here in this cabinet because it's the easiest one. It's the one that's pretty organized because I tend to organize it like on a weekly basis. But I did have these boxes of chips just like on my floor in the kitchen, and I kept moving them back and forth. I don't know why. I just found it to be a drag to put them away, but I finally did that.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the windows. I do clean them inside and out, and they were so dirty, as you can see here in this little clip. So I was very happy that I was finally able to get both of these windows cleaned inside and out.
Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperate?
So for this window, I do clean the outside. I just don't film it for you guys because around the time that I was gonna do it, my neighbors were outside and I was too embarrassed to do it in front of them. But I am gonna be taking off the little bottom part. It kind of like gives me some privacy. The curtains that I used to have before really didn't give me any privacy at night. But moving on to my little junk drawer here. I don't know how it gets to this point. I try to organize it like every couple of months, but it still looks like this. I blame my husband, but you know, he can't defend himself, so it is what it is. I'm showing you guys these little notes that my husband leaves my daughter every single morning. She has a bunch of them, and I figured, you know, I might as well pay myself since I'm doing all this hard work, right? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this out and just try and get it as organized as I possibly can.
Guess I'm gonna stay, but I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her. I know this might look bad, but I'm just gonna melt in the background, watching you lean into her. I'm a fool. I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool. I know. Are you thinking about us too? 'Cause I don't know. Are you missing it just like I do?
I forgot to mention that I actually filmed this video before I did my spring and Easter decorate with me, and then I realized when I was filming this that Easter was pretty much right around the corner and I hadn't brought out any type of Easter content, so I figured I'd post that one first and then this one. So it's not perfect, but it looks way better than it did before. You gotta admit that. I'm also gonna show you guys the other drawer that's pretty much right next to it. I didn't want to bore you guys with me cleaning this one out. I was working really hard and just using the things that I already had to organize instead of going to the store and buying new things to organize my stuff. But we're going to go ahead and move on to this drawer here. Honestly, I really didn't have anything that I used on a daily basis. It was kind of just random things thrown in there. So I figured that I can just put my pots and pans here because right now they are in a cabinet that they were kind of like hard to access. And I'll show you guys that in a bit. So I figured this would be the perfect spot for them.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
I quickly want to show the drawer underneath where I have my pots and pans. It's not too bad. It's just where I have like my Tupperware. And I really just wanted to focus on the areas around my home that really needed my attention. For example, this drawer here. So I'm just going to go ahead and tackle this one and just make it look nicer.
To see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
So I hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far. My plan was to show you guys everything that I cleaned and decluttered, but honestly it was going to be way too long and I'm not sure if you guys like those types of videos, so I figured I'd do it into 2 different parts. But either way, I hope that you guys are getting the inspo that you need.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
So I feel like it wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't share some type of decorating. So I figured I'd take a break from all the cleaning and decluttering and just focus on these bookshelves that I have on my living room. So that's what I'm going to do right now.
believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh.
For the middle section here, I really didn't do much because I didn't want to overwhelm the space since I'm doing so much to the open shelves. But I wanted to ask, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I was watching Bridgerton in the back. But have you guys seen it? Are you guys up to date? What did you think about it? Talk to me. I'm like totally ready for the next season to come out. And I'm kind of bummed that I have to wait a year, maybe two, to watch the next season. I hate that.
Say something like you love me and make my day, like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eyes so I can tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Every day is something new. If I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, but that's going to do it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, got some type of inspo. Please make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on part 2 of my spring cleaning and decluttering. And with that being said, I will talk to you guys all in the next video, God willing. Bye.
My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now.